Mendoza with Impact Coaching Solutions. In Impact Coaching Solutions, the goal we have with our clients is leadership acceleration. Organizations today have managers and they develop them to be capable of supervising, focusing on tasks, and on getting results. But they are also realizing that focusing on results is not the only thing needed for an outstanding success in the market. It is important to focus on people development, and this is not only a function of human resources, it is the role of every leader in the organization. Our definition of leadership is that leadership is the art of getting results by developing new leaders. That is why our work is dedicated to accelerate leadership around the globe, turning managers into leaders. It is not an easy transformation because leaders need to be aware that their successful management work, focusing on tasks, needs to be modified and give space to the work of a leader coach that will focus also on developing people. Today I want to briefly explain to you the formula that we have found in Impact Coaching Solutions to achieve that consciousness, transforming managers into leaders. There are 3 pillars of knowledge and tools that we have combined to achieve this acceleration. The first one is the new findings that we have been getting from neuroscience. They allow us to understand our reactions and the reactions of people we work with or we supervise. And when we learn a little about the way our brain works, we can realize that even when we are not under physical threats, like we were thousands of years ago when we were living in the jungle or in nature, our brain is still protecting us constantly. But today is from threats to our status, credibility, or image. And it does it in the same way and with the same chemical and physical reactions that it used when it was protecting us from environmental threats. Understanding this helps us to radically transform our language and behaviors to work with non-threatened brains that are not under the flight or fight response. The second pillar we combine is emotional intelligence. And as I say in my presentations, it is not a good idea to call it emotional intelligence because again, that is threatening to the brain. It is better to call it emotional skills because as any other skill, we can learn them, we can practice them, and we can get better or even experts at them. When leaders realize where they are and what they need to do in skills like empathy, interpersonal relationships, flexibility, impulse control, and a few others, they achieve changes that start creating new perceptions on their leadership styles. Lastly, our third pillar is coaching. Coaching is a methodology of questions to help a person improving whatever she or he wants to improve. Coaching has achieved through powerful questions the creation of reflection in people and raising the conviction and commitment to their personal growth. And by achieving a better version of themselves, people are benefiting the organization they work in. Besides, this has allowed the creation of support cultures that stress solutions, creativity, and innovation. This is our recipe for success. Combining neuroscience, emotional skills, and coaching, we are achieving results, accelerating leadership around the globe, turning managers into leaders. Let us know how we can help you to apply these 3 pillars with assessments, workshops, executive coaching, and team coaching, and other tools that we have to accelerate leadership in your organization, getting results, and allowing the creation of a real coaching culture in your company. You can find us in www.icscoach.com. Thank you.